How to log in into your Virgin Money credit card account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Virgin Money credit card account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Virgin Money website virginmoney.com and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, look up for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. In the sign in option from the drop down menu, click on the credit card. This will take you to the credit card login section. Here you will need to enter your username and password. Make sure to type them correctly. After entering your username and password, click on the sign in button. If everything is correct, you will be logged in into your credit card account. And there you go. You have successfully logged in into your Virgin Money credit card account. From here, you can check your balance, view transactions, make payments, and manage your account settings. Also, you can manage your credit card account on it. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.